Hello and welcome to this course. So in this course, we're going to learn how we can use the breaker to formulate a trading strategy. And we're going to be looking at different trading strategies. We are going to be looking at the swing trade, the day trade, and the scalping strategies using the breaker. So we're going to use the breaker as our benchmark for entries. So the breaker actually is one of the most powerful ICT concepts out there that you can use for execution, that you can use actually to formulate your trading setup and to formulate your trading strategy. So basically this course is for those who are interested in Forex trading, or maybe you're just exploring ways to make money online, and also maybe you've been trying other strategies that didn't work for you. This is the best course for you because we're going to look at a very powerful strategy that is going actually to be repeating every week. This is guaranteed to be repeating because I've seen it myself. This is actually the strategy that I personally use, and you will see how powerful this is actually by the end of this course. So stay tuned, and if you have not enrolled, kindly enroll. If you have enrolled, I want to say thank you and welcome to the course. Thank you so much.